class. So today we are going to be reviewing how to use a protractor. And this is my protractor. It's very light, you can't really see it. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking our art projects from last week that we did. This is my quick little sketch of my art project that I did. And what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be passing these out to you. And you are going to find the angles of every single angle on here. So what you're going to do is, if you do not remember how to use protractor, that's why we're doing this. We're going to review together. So let's take this triangle right here, this big one right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our edge of our protractor and stick it on this side, right here. The bottom is going to go right like this. And you're going to put the middle of this on the edge of the triangle, the corner of the triangle. And we're going to measure this angle, and it says this angle is 50 degrees. So, and how I know that is I measured from this point right here, and then you move this to match up with the line. So then, when we read that, this angle right here would be 50 degrees. So now, we have one angle measured. And you're going to do the same thing for all three angles, and then all of your other angles. So as just a quick review, we're going to do the other sides together. So again, we're going to take this side and put it on one side of the triangle. And we're going to match the middle up with the side of the triangle. And this one is 40 degrees. And every triangle has an interior angle of 180 degrees. And what that means is that all three angles inside of the triangle are going to equal 180 degrees. So once you find two of your angles, you can either measure with your protractor, or you can do 180 minus 50 and 40 to get your final angle. But we're going to use this just to review one more time because it's good practice. This one is 90 degrees. And instead of writing 90, we have this cool little thing that we like to call a kickstand. And I'm done with one triangle. So what you guys are going to be doing as a class, after I hand these out and you get going, I'm going to set a timer, and we're going to try and get every single angle measured in this in the amount of time. And if we can do that, then we'll get a special prize. If we need to take a second and review at the beginning of class how to use a protractor, we can. So I've been using this one, which is it's kind of a small one to what we're used to. We're used to the bigger ones with the clear thing that goes in between here. This one's just a little teacher sample I have, and it works just the same. It works just as well. And then I also have this one I found. And this one actually might be easier to draw the triangles and stuff. I'm not quite sure how to measure them. I haven't figured that out yet, but if you would like to use this tomorrow in class, I will learn how to do it and we can figure it out. So, as a review, we're going to measure one more angle together. So, we're going to take this side and put it on this triangle right here. So this one is also 40 degrees. And a lot of your angles are going to be different than your classmates, which is okay because all of our projects, they're all different, and that's okay. I just did this because I want you guys to see angle relationships and how to use a protractor. We're trying to learn how to use a protractor, which is a great measuring tool. So class, thank you very much, and let's get to work.